Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening GarageBand and creating a new audio recorder track, then switch the instrument to amp. Once done, make sure your interface is connected and iPhone recognizes input. You'll see levels. You want input monitoring on so you can hear the amp while recording. Next, choose your amp model, clean, crunch, or lead, as the first tonal shaping. This is where your core tone forms, so select a close match to the sound you want before adjusting effects. You now refine the amp. Increase gain for saturation but avoid clipping, cut or boost bass, mid, treble to carve space in the mix. Once you have a basic tone, add stomp boxes, distortion for grit, delay for depth, reverb for space, and tweak their mix levels so they support, not drown, your guitar. Use the noise gate to remove hum and a light compressor to even out peaks. Make short test recordings and listen with headphones. This feedback loop guides precise tweaks. You're ready to record. Arm the track, set input level so peaks hit around -6 dB, then record takes using punch-in or overdubs for safety. Once satisfied, trim and normalize regions, then export a mix or share stems via files or AirDrop. If you encounter no input or distorted audio, stop and check microphone permissions, replug the interface, raise input gain gently, and try another cable. If monitoring is missing, enable input monitoring in the track settings. That single troubleshooting step fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.